As you know, Instagram lets you change your name twice every 14 days. And if you want to change your Instagram name more than that, there is something you can do, and I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. First of all, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram name. So you open your Instagram and on your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. And here, as you can see, we have a name and username. So if you want, you can change your name to anything you want. And as it says here, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So let's say I have changed my name more than twice within the last 14 days. And now for some reason, I just need to change it one more time. So Instagram doesn't let me do that. What I do is I head over to settings and I scroll all the way down to find this help option, and I tap on it, and again, report a problem. Here it says if there is a problem in a specific section of the application, you can go back and shake your phone and we will understand what the problem is, where it is happening, and we'll try to fix it. But here we want to choose report problem without shaking and include and continue. Here, I'm going to explain why I need to change my Instagram name again, why it's so important and it needs to be done instantly. And then I'm going to hit send and it will send an email to the Instagram team and they will probably contact you soon afterwards. I hope this helps, and make sure not to change your Instagram name too often so you won't encounter this problem next time.